how to create categories inside Discord. So, from your server or a server that you are an admin of, locate the channel section, and then within the channel section, go ahead and give it a right click, and then from the submenu, you'll see there's an option to create category. Go ahead and click on the create category option, and then for this, we'll just name the category example. All right, then click on create category, and then you'll notice the category has been created over here on the left hand side. Call it example, which is what we named it before. So after you've done this, what you can do is you can either add channels to it by clicking on the create channel button. So we'll go ahead and do this again, and this is just the same process before as I've shown you in a previous video on how to create channels, and we'll just call this example 2. Okay, and now that we have the text channel within our example category, and if we want, we can also click and drag different channels that we have already created. So I'll take my meeting space and how to request text and voice channel from my previous video and drag those in there. So just click on it, drag it down, and then go till you get to the green bar that pops up within the example or your category that you create, and you'll notice that has then been transferred there. So we'll do the same thing with how to request, and we can either put it above or below the current existing channels that are already inside of that category. So I'll put that one above. And then if you want, you can also expand and collapse the category. So you notice that if I just click on the example category itself, it'll collapse it, and then if I click on it again, it'll expand it. And so that is how you create and also slightly edit and modify categories within Discord.